AT&T, now part of Verizon AT&T Unified Networks, is actively implementing measures to restrict VPN usage on its mobile data networks. This isn't universal, but more aggressive on prepaid and unlimited plans. The main reason is to manage bandwidth, prevent abuse, and enforce fair usage policies. You might experience connection failed or data not available errors when using VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN inconsistently. We'll cover how to navigate these blocks. Mobile data resources are finite. AT&T blocks VPNs primarily to prevent bandwidth hogging, ensuring fair usage and quality service for all users. Some users attempt to bypass throttling by routing all data through VPNs. AT&T employs deep packet inspection to detect encrypted traffic and either throttle or drop these connections to combat this. This ensures network stability for everyone. Due to regulatory pressures and user complaints, AT&T introduced a VPN opt-in feature for postpaid customers. This requires enabling VPN access via their app or account settings. While it reduces outright blocking, throttling during peak hours may still occur. Despite AT&T's data showing a reduction in VPN-related complaints, user dissatisfaction remains high, with many experiencing VPN disruptions. One effective fix is switching to VPN protocols that are harder for AT&T to detect. Older protocols like PPTP are easily blocked. Modern protocols like WireGuard, or especially obfuscated VPNs with stealth modes, mask traffic as regular HTTPS. Obfuscated VPNs hide VPN traffic to bypass detection. Consider using VPNs like Surfshark or Mullvad, which offer built-in obfuscation. This is often the simplest and most effective solution. If protocol switching doesn't fully resolve AT&T's VPN blocking, try these device-level tweaks and alternative network options. First, try resetting your network connection by briefly enabling airplane mode. This can clear temporary connection issues and sometimes restore VPN functionality. Consider switching to Wi-Fi networks when possible, as VPN blocking is primarily a mobile data issue. Alternatively, test with other carriers like T-Mobile, which implements less aggressive VPN restrictions. Finally, experiment with custom DNS settings within your VPN application. Changing DNS servers can sometimes bypass AT&T's detection methods and restore connectivity. These device tweaks and network alternatives provide additional options when standard protocol changes aren't sufficient. Split tunneling is a powerful technique where you route only specific app traffic through the VPN, while the rest uses your regular internet connection. This minimizes the amount of encrypted traffic AT&T needs to inspect, potentially bypassing blocking. For example, you can route your work applications through the VPN while allowing streaming services to bypass it. This targeted approach reduces the load on AT&T's network inspection. In practice, split tunneling might route 20% of your traffic through the VPN for sensitive tasks, leaving the rest direct. This helps maintain connection stability while protecting important data. By using split tunneling, you can access local devices without VPN interference while still securing your work-related connections, making it an effective solution for AT&T's VPN blocking. AT&T-approved VPNs and corporate solutions offer reliable ways to maintain secure connections on their network. Consider using VPNs that are specifically optimized for AT&T's network, designed to work seamlessly with their traffic management. Some companies like Slack have integrated VPN fixes into their apps for mobile users, bypassing AT&T's blocks through API partnerships. Check if your company offers a similar solution for secure mobile access, ensuring compatibility with AT&T's policies. Also, monitor AT&T's website for any updated list of officially supported VPNs to stay informed. The future of mobile VPN usage involves increased integration with 5G and beyond, as carriers use AI for smarter traffic management. Regulatory pressure, like the EU's Digital Services Act, is pushing for net neutrality. Keep an eye on these trends, as they will shape how AT&T manages VPN traffic in the years to come. The rise of quantum-resistant encryption might eventually render current blocking obsolete.